Hello, welcome to Space Events, the show that gives you a brief overview of what's going on in aerospace this month. Can you believe it's already May? Let's get into it. Let's start off with something that happens basically every single month: SpaceX's Starlink satellites. Starlink is a high-speed satellite internet constellation put into space by SpaceX since 2019. On the first couple launches of the month, it will surpass 4,000 satellites that are in orbit. May starts off with 3 Starlink launches, which means that all 3 of the boosters for these missions will come back and land on drone ships out in the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Just read the instructions in a short fall of gravitas on the East Coast, and of course I still love you on the West Coast. Sticking with SpaceX, the Arabsat 7B mission will launch new telecommunication satellites for Arabsat, manufactured by Airbus. A part of these payloads is going to be integrated into Airbus's new commercial products, which is going to be highly robust against jamming. Next up for SpaceX is Iridium 9 and OneWeb 19. OneWeb 19 is a part of OneWeb's high-speed internet constellation, and Iridium 9 will replace a few Iridium satellites that were put into orbit by SpaceX a few years ago, and that is a part of their communications network. Next up for SpaceX is a big one, taking a private crew on Crew Dragon to the International Space Station. The crew will consist of Peggy Whitson, John Schofner, Ryan Barnoui, and Ali Al-Karni. Sorry, I just probably butchered all of those names, but this will be on Crew Dragon Freedom. On top of a Delta IV Heavy, United Launch Alliance will launch NROL-68. This is a top secret satellite for the US National Reconnaissance Office, so we don't know anything about it really. On to RocketLab. Well, they're launching 2 things this month that are a part of the same program: TROPICS 2 and 3, or more appropriately named Rocket Like a Hurricane, and Coming to a Storm Near You. These satellites are a group of small sats that'll help NASA monitor storms over the tropics. Well, that concludes all of the completely confirmed launches for the month. There could be more, there could be less. Well, let's go to our favorite segment, Moon Time. The full moon for the month of May in 2023 is the 5th, and the new moon is on the 19th. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.